Hi and welcome to a new video. In this video I wanted to do a quick review of the 9-in-1 USB-C hub. So you can see here the multi-port adapter. Just for transparency, just like with the other videos, this product and the other two were actually given to me for free to review, but I have not been paid and no one has looked at the video before I upload it, so this is just my honest review and I just wanted to let you know for transparency. And the same with any other videos where I get products and everything else. I always put a sponsor in the actual title so you see it on the screen as well. Okay, so back to the actual product. So you can see here it's the 9-in-1 USB-C hub. So this one is, 9 different things in such a small little hub, and it's brilliant for, especially when I've got a laptop like mine that's only got one USB-C basically port, and it's just a little bit ridiculous when I need to plug at least a few things in. So as you can see here, it's USB-C, but then also it does have HDMI. It has the USB and it has a Type A. It has 3 of those. Then it also has an RJ45, so that's an Ethernet. You have a SD card reader, and then you have 2 USB-C ports here as well. So you can see it adds so much more functionality to a limited laptop like mine. It's quite crazy really in fitting into such a small little product. So as before, opening them up, the product always comes well packaged, and even the ones I bought from my partner, her laptop, and for mine, for this one originally, there was no issues at all. They've always been plug and play. So as you can see here, it's nice to get some geeky stickers, and again the packaging as well, and you can tell the the alloy metal is nice and strong, so even if you drop it, it's not gonna like some of them plastic hubs I've had before. They easily break. And it's just the little details as well where they actually protect the USB-C hub as port as well, so it's just these little things that they've got, the details they've gone into to make sure that it's delivered to you and you don't have any issues. So as you can see here, we've got the Ethernet. So this one, as before, and some of the others normally have some ventilation here, but you've just got the Ethernet port here. It doesn't have any activity lights, but you'll be notified, like on your laptop when you connect. You'll be able to see your Wi-Fi icon change, and it'll change to like an Ethernet as well when you plug in devices. So if we quickly just go around onto this side, so you'll be able to see this is 2 USB-Cs, but one is only for power delivery and this one is for data. So just to be aware, so you can see it's clearly marked with the actual little symbols here, so it's fine. Then you have a micro SD card reader and an SD card reader, so that's amazing to see. You've got these little two, and it's good for photographers as well for transferring files, because cameras still have those. We've got HDMI port as well to an external monitor or projector or anything that's HDMI, and you've got it's up to 4K at 60 Hz. And then again, as we said here, you've got 3 data ports. These are Type A, USB 3.0. So you've got plenty of ports that it converts into just from one to here. So again, just to be wary that when you start connecting like your Ethernet, and then you've got HDMI and power delivery going through this will get warm. So don't be worried if it suddenly starts getting hot. It's like your power adapters. When there's power and everything going through it, it will get warm, but it's normally dispenses the heat very well, and it doesn't, it's not that hot, you can't touch it. Okay, so let's just move on now. So I'm just going to plug this in now. So as you can see, it'll be literally plug and play. So this goes literally straight into the USB-C port on the side of my laptop, and you can hear it's connected straight away, so it's recognized it. So I've got a few little things we can try with it. So again, I've got my faithful old USB-C, USB Type A memory stick. So I can just randomly plug it into this one. And you'll see it's automatically recognized actually on the laptop. So you can go in there and actually access the files and everything else straight away. So you didn't even have to install any drivers, no pop-ups on the screen to recognize something. It just worked. It's the same as for Windows 10 as well. You'll have no issues with this. Again, the Ethernet, if we go to here, is the same. So you'll see that it doesn't have an activity light, but you'll be able to recognize it when on your laptop when you plug it in. It's very secure. You can hear the click and the quality, so it's not coming out. So that is a proper connection and everything else. So that's always good to see that they've got that as well as an extra feature. I do have a micro SD, so you can see down here the icon down here has now changed from a Wi-Fi symbol to the Ethernet, so that's good to see. And then also I've got my micro SD card as well, so you can see here that goes into here. But then also I do have the so you can hear that it recognises it straight away. But then I do have my little micro SD as well, so if you don't have the adapter, you can just put it straight in there for it to recognise. And you can hear again, it's recognised that drive straight away with no issues. So you've got both drives now and Ethernet, and then you can have the power in as well and your HDMI all running from this little tiny device. So it is quite amazing, really. It is quite clever and easy to use. Okay, so this has been a quick review of this 8-in-1 USB-C hub. As I said, this one has been truly amazing. This little one, 9-in-1, and you can see that how many things you can plug in and everything. And again, just be wary of the actual here with the actual warmth and everything else. It will get a little bit warm, but don't worry about that too much. Okay, thanks for watching, and have a great day.